Tired of waiting days for a tan? Want flawless, bronzed skin instantly without baking in the sun? You're in the right place! Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm spilling all my insider secrets to achieve a perfect tan in minutes. Get ready for some incredible tan hacks that will leave you looking like you just stepped off a tropical vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my beauty tips. So, let's be real. We all love that sun-kissed glow, but damaging your skin with the sun isn't worth it. I've spent years experimenting with self-tanning products and techniques, making all the tan mistakes so you don't have to. I'm here to share the best tan hacks that will give you a natural-looking, streak-free tan instantly. This isn't about orange skin or embarrassing streaks. This is about achieving flawless skin with confidence. We'll cover everything from tan prep to application to making your tan last longer. Alright, let's dive into hack number 1, exfoliation. This is the most crucial step for a flawless tan. Think of your skin as a canvas. If it's rough and uneven, your tan won't look good. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, creating a smooth surface for even tanning. I recommend exfoliating 24 hours before you tan. You can use a body scrub, an exfoliating mitt, or a dry brush. Focus on areas that tend to be drier, like your knees, elbows, and ankles. Be gentle. Avoid harsh scrubbing, as this can irritate your skin. Also, avoid using any oil-based scrubs or moisturizers right before you tan, as they can create a barrier. Proper preparation is essential for a perfect tan. Hack number 2, hydration. After exfoliating, it's time to hydrate. Moisturizing is key to even tanning. Dry skin absorbs tanning product unevenly, leading to dark patches and streaks. Apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer all over your body, paying extra attention to those dry areas, knees, elbows, ankles, and even hands and feet. Hydration helps the tanning product glide on smoothly and absorb evenly. Wait at least 30 minutes for the moisturizer to fully absorb before applying your tan. Hydrated skin equals flawless tan. Hack number 3. Choosing the right tanning product. There are so many tanning products out there, it can be overwhelming. Let's break it down. First, consider your skin tone. If you're fair-skinned, start with a light to medium tanning lotion or mousse. If you have a darker complexion, you can go for a medium to dark shade. I love using tanning mouses, but tanning lotions are great for beginners. Tanning sprays are excellent for hard-to-reach areas like your back. Personally, I like using Saint Tropez mousse because it delivers a really nice golden natural color. Whatever product you choose, always do a patch test 24 hours before applying it all over your body to make sure that it is suitable. Hack number 4, the tanning mitt. Ditch the gloves and embrace the tanning mitt. This is non-negotiable for a streak-free tan. A tanning mitt provides even application, prevents streaks, and protects your hands from turning orange. Apply a generous amount of tanning product onto the mitt, not directly onto your skin. Use long, sweeping motions to blend the tan onto your body. Start with your legs, then move up to your torso, arms, and finally your face. Remember to use circular motions to help the tan sink into the skin. Use the residue on the mitt for your hands and feet, and take a clean makeup brush to blend it out for a natural look. Hack number 5, the back attack. Tanning your back can be tricky. Don't worry, I've got you covered. You have a few options. You can invest in a tanning mitt with a long handle. These are designed specifically for reaching your back. Or bribe a friend to help you out. If neither of those options work, a tanning spray can be a good alternative. Just make sure to spray evenly and blend with a mitt if possible. Hack number 6, blending hands and feet. This is where many people go wrong. Avoid orange palms and ankles by following these tips. As I mentioned earlier, use the residue on the tanning mitt for your hands and feet. Lightly apply the tan to these areas and then immediately blend with a damp cloth or a large makeup brush. Pay close attention to your wrists, ankles, and between your fingers and toes. Less is more when it comes to tanning your hands and feet. Hack number 7, the 10-minute drying trick. Avoid transferring your tan onto your clothes or furniture by giving it time to dry. After applying your tan, wait at least 10 minutes before getting dressed. Use a hairdryer on a cool setting to speed up the drying process. Wear loose-fitting clothing and avoid sitting or lying down for at least an hour. Hack number 8, developing your tan. Now it's time to rinse off the guide color. Follow the instructions on your tanning product for development time, usually between 1 and 8 hours. When you rinse, use lukewarm water and avoid soap or harsh cleansers. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. After rinsing, hydrate your skin with a moisturizing lotion. Hydrated skin helps your tan last longer. Avoid exfoliating again for a few days. Hack number 9, extending the life of your tan. Want your flawless tan to last longer? Here's how. Hydrate daily with a moisturizing lotion and avoid hot showers or baths, which can strip your skin of its tan. Use a tan extending lotion or a gradual tanner every few days to maintain your glow. Avoid using harsh exfoliating products until you want to remove the tan. Hack number 10, instant bronzer for touch-ups. Sometimes you need a tan instantly, especially for a special event. Enter instant bronzer. Instant bronzer is a temporary tan that washes off in the shower. It's perfect for touch-ups, contouring, or adding a glow to specific areas like your legs or décolletage. Apply it with a makeup brush or a tanning mitt and blend well. This is great for when you need a quick tan. Okay, let's talk about tan mistakes. We've all been there. Streaks. If you get streaks, exfoliate the area and reapply a light layer of tanning product, blending carefully. Orange skin. If your tan is too orange, try exfoliating gently or using a tan removal product. Next time, choose a lighter shade of tanning product. Uneven application, exfoliate and hydrate properly before your next application. Use a tanning mitt and blend, blend, blend. What do you do if you hate your tan? Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can use ingredients you have in your kitchen to remove the tan. Here are some examples: lemon juice, baking soda, and even baby oil. For the lemon juice, mix it with sugar to make a scrub and then apply this to the skin in circular motions. Baking soda can be made into a paste with water and then rubbed into the skin. This can be left on for a few minutes. For the baby oil, slather it over your body, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off with a cloth. One final but incredibly important point. Sunscreen is crucial even with a fake tan. A fake tan does not protect you from the sun's harmful rays. Always wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher when you're outdoors, even on cloudy days. Protect your skin. Let's quickly recap the tan hacks we covered today. 1. Exfoliation. 2. Hydration. 3. Choosing the right tanning product. 4. The tanning mitt. 5. The back attack. 6. Blending hands and feet. 7. The 10-minute drying trick. 8. Developing your tan. 9. Extending the life of your tan. And 10. Instant bronzer for touch-ups. I really hope you found these tan hacks helpful. Let me know in the comments below which tan hack you're most excited to try. What are your biggest tanning struggles? I read all the comments and will do my best to answer your questions. Alright, that's it for today's video. Now go out there and rock that flawless bronzed skin with confidence. Remember, everyone deserves to feel good in their skin, and I hope you're closer to achieving this with this guide. And if you found these tan hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips, and share it with your friends who need a little sun-kissed glow in their lives. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay tantastic.